I am Adam. Assalamualaikum.
वालेकुम सलाम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू. So student, take out your maths number line book and open page number 50. So today we are going to start a new chapter, which is shapes and patterns, chapter 4. So everyone open your books and open page number 50.
You are teaching first class.
Okay, so student, I hope you must be knowing that about shapes, as you all have studied in class first also about shapes. So can you tell me how many types of shapes are there?
What is this? Lunch.
Keep quiet. Okay, so yes, Aman Sharif, can you tell me types of shapes? Yes,
Names of shapes.
yes. No shapes, types of shapes.
Square. Circle.
No, beta,
Triangle.
I'm asking how many shapes are there, means types of shapes. Yes, anyone else? Yes, Kutsia, unmute your mic. Yes, beta,
Yes, sir.
how many types of shapes?
Sir, two types of shapes.
Yes, tell
2D
me.
shapes. Sir, 2D shapes. Circle and square. 3D shape. Cubes.
Yes, very good. So, student, there are two types of shapes. Okay, we will learn in this chapter. So, plane shapes and solid shapes. Okay, so first of all, we will talk about plane shapes. Okay, the shapes which can be drawn on a paper called plane shapes, and we can also say 2D shapes. Plane shapes are also called 2D shapes because it has two dimensions. Okay, so I'm sharing the whiteboard. Look here. Plane shapes are also called 2D shapes. Okay, why it is called 2D shape? Because it has two dimensions. Okay, it has two dimensions. Okay, that is length and breadth. Length and breadth. only two dimensions are there in plane shapes. For example, look here, it is a square. Okay, so it is having only length and breadth. Okay, length and breadth. It is not having height. Okay, it has only length and breadth, but it has not height. Okay, so that's why it is called plane shape. Okay, so examples of plane shapes are square, triangle, circle, oval. Okay, these are all plane shapes. I'm writing here examples. Examples of plane shapes: square, rectangle, oval, triangle. Okay, circle. So all these are having plane shapes. All these shapes have plane shapes. Okay, yes students, are you getting?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, I have not understood. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Arham Naeem Khan not understood. Beta plane shape. I'm talking about plane shapes. So plane shapes, the shapes which we can draw on paper. Okay, like square, triangle, oval, rectangle, circle. These all are plane shapes. Okay, and we also call this 2D shapes. The another name for plane shapes is 2D shape. Okay, 2D means two dimensional, which has two dimensions, length and breadth. Okay, they don't have height. Okay, and solid shapes which have three dimensions, length, breadth and height as well. Okay, and the examples of solid shapes are like cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone. Okay, so first we will talk about plane shapes only. Okay, in today's class. So first I am taking square. So square is a plane shape. Okay, we can draw it on a paper. So how many sides are there, students? If we talk about heights, about lengths of this figure, can you tell me how many sides are there in this figure?
4 sides. Sir, there are 4 sides. And there are 4 sides.
Yes, very good. Yes, square has four sides. Okay, all sides are of different length or equal length?
Equal, sir. Equal.
Very good. It has all sides of equal length. Okay, so this having four sides, 1 2 3 and 4. Okay, this plane shape has four sides, 1 2 3 4. Okay, and how many corners are there in this? These are sides, 1 2 3 4. Four sides are there, and where two sides meet at the point, so that point called corner. Okay, or you can say vertex. Okay, student, so this side and this side is meeting at this point, so this point is called corner. Okay, so let's count how many corners are there. 1 2 3 4. Okay, so how many sides are there? Four sides and four corners in this. Okay, square has four sides and four corners, and all sides are equal of this shape. All its sides are equal in length. Okay, yes, understood, students?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So how many corners are there in this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, how many corners are there in this?
Sir,
Four corners and four sides. Very good. Okay, so now let's take another plane shape, which is rectangle. Okay, this one is square. This is square in shape. SQUARE, square. You have to learn the spellings also. Okay, square. Squares has four sides and four corners, and all its sides are of equal length. Okay, now take a rectangle. Okay, this is rectangle, and this is also a plane shape. Okay, so how many sides are there in this? Yes, students, how many sides are there in this?
Sir,
Four sides. Very good. So four sides are there. Let's count. 1 2. Okay, one this side, and 1 2 and 3. Okay, and 4. So there are four sides in this figure. Okay, in rectangle there are four sides. 1 2 3 and 4. Are all sides equal in this? Yes, student, are all sides equal? Yes.
No, sir.
All sides are not equal like square have all sides equal in length, but it has not equal, all sides are equal. Okay, opposite sides are equal in this only. Okay, so opposite sides are this one, this and this. Okay, this equal to this side, and this one side is equals to this one side. Okay, suppose this is 2 centimeter, so this one is also, the opposite side is also 2 centimeter of length. Okay, and this one is, let's say, 4 centimeter, so this one should be also 4 centimeter. Opposite sides are same, 2 centimeter 2 centimeter, 4 4. Okay, only opposite sides are equal, all sides are not equal in this. Okay, if we talk about this side and this one side, so these two sides are not equal. Okay, because this is of 2 centimeter and this one is 4 centimeter, so these sides are not equal, opposite sides only equal. Understood? Yes.
Yes, sir, I have understood.
Very good. So student, now let's talk about the corners. This one side of rectangle is longer, okay, and this is shorter side. Okay, so there are 4 sides in this rectangle. Let's count how many corners are there. So I told you, what is corner? Where two sides meet together. Okay, so this side and this side is meeting at this point. Okay, so this is a corner. Okay, so one corner, and one is here, one is here, and one is here. So how many corners are there in total? Yes, students?
Sir, four.
4 corners. Very good.
Four corners are there.
So 4 sides and 4 corners are there in the rectangle. Okay, so spelling of rectangle is RECTANGLE, rectangle. Okay, so how many sides are there? 4 sides. Rectangle has 4 sides and 4 corners. And its opposite sides are equal. Okay, this side is equals to this side, and this one side is equals to this side. So its opposite sides are equal. All sides are not equal, only opposite sides equal. Student, if you can write in your notebook also in this one. You can copy this in your notebook. students, I have shared this page on WhatsApp. Okay, you can copy from there. So student, now let's talk another plane shape, which is triangle. So this is your triangle. So let's count how many sides are there in this triangle. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So how many sides are there? 3 sides are there in triangle. There are 3 sides in a triangle. Okay. So how many corners are there in triangle? Student, count how many corners are there in triangle. Yes, very good. So there are 3 sides and how many corners? 3 corners. Let's count. 1. Okay. First corner, second corner and third corner. So 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 corners in triangle. There are 3 sides. And 3 corners are in the triangle. Okay students, this is triangle, triangle. Okay. So student, if we talk about its sides, are these all these sides of triangle equal? Yes.
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir. No, sir. No, sir. No, sir.
Beta, it may have, listen carefully, a triangle may have equal sides also. Okay. And 2 equal side and 1 different side also, and all sides, and it may have all different sides also. Okay. So I am giving you some examples here. Don't draw these. Okay. I am telling just like this only. So this is a triangle. Let's say its length is 2 centimeter, and is also 2 centimeter. So it may have all sides equal. Okay, all sides are equal here, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter. Okay, so this triangle may have equal side also. Okay, and it may have two equal sides. Means if we are taking this 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter and 2 centimeter, so all sides are not equal in this. Two sides are equal and one different side. Okay, now let's it may have all different sides. Okay, suppose it is of 1 centimeter, it is 2 centimeter, it is 3 centimeter. It may have all different sides also, different lengths. Okay, it may have all equal sides. Okay, two equal and one different side, and all sides may have different lengths. Understood? Yes, understood, students?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So student, you can't say that it has all equal sides. Okay, and you can't say that it has all different sides. It may have all equal sides also, all different sides also. Okay, so now let's talk about circle. So our next plane shape is circle. So it is, yes, tell me student, what is this? Which shape it is? Yes, very good. It is circle. So spelling of circle is yes, CIRCLE, circle. Okay. So tell me how many sides are here in circle? Yes, Abdullah Siddiqui, unmute your mic. Abdullah Siddiqui.
Yes, sir.
Yes, how many sides are there in circle?
3, 1. Now side.
Zero. No side. SN Isyan. Yes, SN.
Yes, sir.
Do you want to ask something?
No,
How many sides are there in this? Yes, tell how many sides in circle.
sir, your voice is not coming.
How many sides are there in circle?
Sir, your voice is not coming.
Okay, so student, this is a circle and it has plane shape only. Okay, and there is no side and no corner. Is there any corner in this? Yes, corner is visible here. Is there any corner? No. Very good. So circles have no side and no corners. A circle has no sides and no corners. Okay, and last we have oval. Okay, so this is oval shape. This is like an egg. Okay, egg shape is also like this, oval shape. So OVAL. Okay, and it also have no sides and no corners. An oval has no sides and no corners. Okay students, I hope you all have understood till here.
Yes, sir.
So now everyone come on
Yes, sir.
everyone now come on page number 51. So let's do some exercises based on this. So question 1, label the plane shapes and draw the corresponding solid objects which looks like the plane shape. Okay, so here you have to write the name also in this box of this plane shape. First one is already done, it is circle. Okay, circle is written here. And what solid shape, by which solid shape we can get this plane shape, circle? If you take this sphere, okay, so by this you can get circle. Okay, it is looking like circle. Okay, if you outline this sphere you will get a circle. Okay, like this, a square. So you have to write spelling of square here in this box, and you have to make here a solid shape which looks like this, a square. Can you tell me which solid shape looks like a square? Yes. Very good, very good. Cube. The face of the cube looks like a square. Very good, very good, very good. So cube, this face of the cube looks like a square. So you can make cuboid here. Okay. And like this, here we have triangle. So here we have to make a solid shape, okay, which looks like triangle. Like this you have to do. And now listen this question number 2 also, then you can complete your work after this. Everyone stop writing and look here. Question number 2. How many times are the following shapes used in the figure? So this is a figure which is made up of different shapes, different plane shapes, okay. So you have to count number of each plane shape, okay. So here first we have triangle. So count all the triangles in this figure. How many triangles used in this figure? Okay. So let's count with me. 1, 2, 3. Yes. So only 3 triangles are here. Am I right, students? Yes, tell me.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, so there are 3 triangles, 1 and 2, and this one is 3. Okay, so 3 triangles are used here. So write 3 here, and like this is rectangle. Okay, so how many rectangles used in this figure? You can count number of rectangles and write in the blank. Okay, so now Zoom class is over. Complete this question number 1 and 2 and share on WhatsApp. If you have any problem, any query, you may ask on WhatsApp. Aisha Shamim. Yes, Aisha Shamim.
Yes, sir.
Do you want to ask something?
No, sir. I am done. I have sent WhatsApp group.
Okay, very good. Yes, Tulu Noor, unmute your mic.
Yes, sir.
Yes, how many sides are there in circle?
0.
And how many corners?
What?
How many corners are there in circle?
0.
And in oval?
What, sir?
In oval, how many corners in